Good morning, guys. Are you chilling? Good. And from the chilling to the commotion. Okay, they just quieted down, but again, it's always like before I start filming, something happens. Let's go around it and see how are they doing. I can see most of them are out on the green. Hello, little coots. This is one of my favorite spots. Look at that. The fresh leaves of the willow tree are just starting to come through, and they look splendid. And the same on this side. Be nice. They're having their morning wash. Okay, let's go see the others. Hello. You're so cute and funny. And you dropped one. Are you expecting something? I'm sorry, but I didn't bring any food for you today. Okay. They're starting to be more chatty on this side. Hello. Hello, you two. You've seen me and are you trying to mug me? Come on, guys. There's lots of fresh green and other things for you to eat. Go on. Yeah. Did you see the head nod? Give me something. Sorry. Another time. Let's include the little moorhen as well. It's running away quickly. And there's two more of you. Oopsie, sorry. I'm just holding my phone and some bags and... Look at that. How beautiful is it? It's lovely. As I said, many of them are out on the green. And there's a lovely little, I'm not sure if it's an apple tree or what it is. This looks beautiful. It's very muddy. Can't get there because I'm not wearing the right kind of shoes. We had so much rain, so it's really nice that today it's not raining. And it's a beautiful morning. They're on one-legged pose. They're actually relaxing and resting. Don't think I could stand on one leg for so long like they do. And a little stretch. Oh. And back. around, some lovely ducks as well, chilling. They're all male. We don't have any lady friends around. There's always so many mechanical noises. I know that things need to be done, but they do annoy me because I want to hear the sounds of nature. Anyway, as you could see, it's a fairly chill morning. There's no fights going on like it did a few days ago. So keep it calm. And have a good day, everyone. Bye-bye.